Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Prav. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyatrenda asavela mgqithi mxokiyana angemva kokuthi aye laphana ku-Instagram a-upload ama-pictures akhe la ighost khona owashisa ababa ini so emva kwalama picture egqinini ufake screenshot lesidonse mehle bani labaningi bani basale batiputa ukuthi he zishani so asavela ufake screenshot la kubonakala khona kuyi-WhatsApp chat between her and i-husband yakhe. Angathi ifana ngithi i-husband yakhe or i-ex-husband yakhe because they are getting a divorce or actually bakuma-process okudivosa. So ugele ufake screenshot ala bekadampa khona kahle kahle alo guy. We know ukuthi besati ukuthi uguy file i-divorce for asavela, but it seems like they were still together, they were still very much in love. Uma ngibona le screenshots lesani ngiyabona ukuthi man, these two were still an item. Yes, thina besathi ukuthi abahlukene, but the screenshots lezi sisho lenye into so at first I was confused mangibona asavela afake le screenshot lesithi asimedali thanks nge-experience egqineni kuma-pictures akhe, and I was like, what is happening? Kanti ugela awusende lokhu ku-husband wakhe athi asimedali thanks nge-experience yemshado, I am done. We know ukuthi asavela awukatrenda kokuthi ugeli uthu farm Julia uhlala gade tinja. The reason why uguy amchithela it's because uhlala semakhaya gade tinja lima ngiloko lakwati kugeli uyi-ghost ke lamalanga funze nokufaka ama-weave ugeli utshintshile u-ghost uyaposta nje laphana kuma-Instagram into longakaze uyibone and people dragged mngani wakhe lo mkhulu Anelisiwe Ntshangana uyi-YouTuber guys nayila gusha-ke emshadweni because i-husband yakhe iyamchithela and masayi-chick sakhona ayamfonela kugele amthuke and uguy u-aska uqala kukhipha abantu like publicly nje athi I'm going ku-meeting kuphi ngicela munye girl into uhamba naye like inhlonipho njena ihambile, and people are saying ukuthi asavela now that when uphumele kulo mshado wakho lo toxic, can you please don't say your friend with you u-Anelisiwe Ntshangana aphume kulo mshado. But guys, you cannot force a horse to drink water. Uma sekafuna kuphuma ogela utophuma, nakhona mangasafuni kuphuma angafuni kuphuma akusinkinga yethu leyo, asimjaji. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out, so goodbye.